nalalason po ang Senado ng mga idolo at ng mga demonyo ng pagsamba sa Diyos-Diyosan, ganid, pagsisinungaling, kataksilan at pagkukunsyabahan. Punong-puno po ng demonyo ang Senado. Kapag punong-puno ng demonyo ang isang lugar, nananawagan ako sa lahat ng exorcist sa simbahang Katoliko. Marami po. This is now an official ministry in the Catholic Church. Meron bang exorcist sa Aglipay, Bishop? Okay. Okay, may exorcist ba sa Evangelicals? Okay, ako magdadala po ng insenso, holy water. But bago ako magpunta doon, ako'y mag-aayuno kasi that's a requirement. You have to fast and pray. We have to exercise Senate. It is possessed. Some of our senators, you look at their behavior, they are possessed. So, idolatry. So, the idols have to be exorcised. It needs deliverance from evil. And it needs vigorous rebuke. Pagtutuwid. Rebuke. Kailangan ituwid natin si Aimee, si Bigote, Marcoleta. Yan, Marcoleta ay ang hilig-hilig din mag-quote ng sacred scriptures. Kilabutan naman po tayo. Kapag kayo Katoliko, Evangelical, Iglesia ni Cristo, you don't have the right and the privilege of just flipping over pages of the scriptures, using it to defend your indefensible position. Humility is the number one requirement for anyone who wants to use the Word of God. Not to defend by yourself, but to defend the truth and to defend the defenseless. So, deliverance and rebuke.